Welcome to Programming KT. I am explaining about the concept is default and static methods that was introduced in Java 8. So before Java 8, we can write only abstract methods inside interfaces. But from 1.8 onwards, we can write default and static methods also inside interface. So what are the default methods? So default methods are introduced in Java 8. So to provide backward compatibility of interface implemented classes without breaking the existing functionality. So how we can achieve this? I will explain when I am writing examples. So static methods. Static methods are introduced in Java 8. So to write some utility methods inside interface that are common for all implemented classes. So now let me jump into the actual topic. So before this, watch this video, without skipping, then only you will get some clarity on both these two topics. So if you did not subscribe Programming KT, subscribe Programming KT. So now let's jump into the actual topic. So first I am trying to create one interface. So here I am trying to consider notification service. So interface notification. So this interface is having one abstract method called, I am trying to declare send notification. So I will create three implemented classes of this notification like SMS service, mail service, push notification service. So then I will explain the concept called default and static methods. So why default methods are introduced and static methods also. So first I am trying to create one class called SMS service. So SMS service implements notification. So we need to implement the all unimplemented methods. So this is the problem with abstract methods that exist inside, I mean, interface. To overcome this only, default methods are introduced. I will explain. So once the implementation is done, next one will be the, I can copy and paste it. Next one will be the mail service. So finally, one more class, that is push notification service. So now these three classes are implemented abstract method called send notification. So if I want to add one abstract method that is common to specific service, let us say I want to send notification with attachment. In that case, mailing service is required, right? So if I can add one abstract method here called void send with attachment. So in this case, all implemented class will be affected. So you are seeing, right? Three classes are providing, saying compilation error about provide unimplemented method. So this is the problem with, deep abstract methods that exist inside. If you want to add one extra feature, so all implemented classes are breaking the, providing compilation error. So to overcome this problem only, in Java 8, default methods are introduced. Let me try to make this send with attachment as default method. So if I can make it default, I need to provide body. So I am providing some default implementation, default body like send with attachment. So now there is no compilation error. Moreover, that I want only in mailing service, right? So I can override in mailing service only. So if I don't want it, I can ignore it. But there is no issue with interface implemented classes. That is notification implemented classes. So I want in mail service, right? I can override it. So let me try to copy this method, and I am trying to override it. So here I need to provide public override. Now the issue got, my expected functionality is I am achieving. So default method I am providing here. There is no compilation error. I want it. That's why I am trying to override it. So this is the advantage of default methods. Without breaking the existing functionality, I am trying to add one extra feature. One extra method inside that interface. No unwanted. Send with attachment. That is not required. Implemented classes. Those classes are safe. There is no compilation error. So now let me try to write one sys out in every implemented method. Like here, I can call it as a SMS service, mail service. Finally, here push notification service. Now let me try to execute. So if I want to execute push notification service, so I need to create object for it, right? So I'm trying to create object for that service. Now let me try to call it send notification. Now let me try to execute. So I got the push notification service logger. Push notification service implemented one of method, right? So that logger I'm trying to get it. So next one. So I need to call. First, I need to attach that mail. Some attachment to that mail. Then I need to send that service. So for that, how I can call? First, I can call this attachment method. So then attachment will be added to corresponding mail. Then mail will be sent. Further, first I need to create object for mail service. Now let me try to call it. So first the attachment is executing, then sending mail. So depending on our requirement, first we can make attachment, then you can send it. So this is the advantage of default methods. So next one will be the static methods. So if you want to add utility method that will be common in all three implemented classes. So or two classes. So or one class also. For common utility method, we can declare inside this interface. Then we can call it by using interface name. How we can access static methods before Java 8, right? By using class name like that. That static method exists inside interface, right? That's why you can call it by using interface name. So let me try to create one static method. Static void some utility method. Util method I'm trying to create it. So I need to provide body for static method. Like I'm trying to add one sys out. Common logic for all methods. All implemented classes. Logic for all classes. Here I am writing just only assaults. So my intention is to show, to explain you about default and static methods. That's why I'm trying to provide some assault statements only. So how I can call static methods if I want to call here directly by using interface name, right? Dot util method. Now let me try to create, yeah, object is created for mailing service only. Now let me try to call it. So first common logic for all classes, a method is executed. Static method is executed. Then default method is executed. Then actual abstract method, implementation is executed. So if I want that static method in SMS service also, I can call directly here, like how I called here, notification dot util method. Now let me try to paste it. Now create object for SMS service. Now let me try to run. So I got static method, then abstract method. Implemented method. So abstract method that declared on interface and implemented method inside SMS service. So I hope you got some clarity on default and static methods after watching this video. So if you like the content, hit on like button and subscribe Programming KT. Thanks for watching.